Hi everyone, it's Deb. Let me make sure that this is taping. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, it's one of those days. It is 5:30 in the morning, Tuesday morning, and I couldn't sleep, so I got up. So what I'm going to show you is what I made last week from Sunday through Saturday. Okay, some of this you've already seen, but it's just a recap to show you what I've made in the last week. So I did a video on these small envelopes. This is a Scrap Diva Designs die set. And I've already done a video on these. They are so precious. And yeah, so there's 4 of those. And then I made these little envelopes. One day I made a video about these. There is an Australian crafter. Her name is Septeria 18, I believe, and it's Septeria 18. And I just made a ton of these cute little envelopes. She did a short. You may want to look for her short on these little envelopes. It's using a 4-inch by 6-inch piece of paper, and they are so cute. But she has the measurements. I actually have the measurements too. Let me see if I can find those for you real quick. And then you can do a screenshot. So here are the measurements. There's her name. Pardon my handwriting, but envelopes using 4x6 papers, and it's Septeria 18. She did a short. You score on the 4-inch side at 1/2 inch and 3.5 inches. Score on the 6-inch side at 2 inches and 4 3/4 inches. Anyway, you may want to take a screenshot of that. Okay. All right. That's to make these precious little envelopes, and they are precious. I made a bunch. I'll finish more for sure. Then I, of course, made that Valentine gingerbread album, but let's see if it's in here. I don't think it is. No. That was from the week before, though. Okay. So then this is another project from Septeria 18. It's an envelope using a 12 by 12 page. And there's all kinds of goodies in here. There's 3 pouches. I mean, yeah, 3 pouches. So there's all kinds of goodies in here that you could put in here. This was such an easy project yeah. Anyway, you know how you have papers that you're not just exactly in love with? And so I made policy envelopes. I am in love with this one, but I wanted a policy envelope out of it too. These would be great for sending a Happy Meal. In fact, I like to give these when I do swaps, just so, but I usually do it in the coordinating holiday. These are all fall. So, and then, well, not all of them. Some of them are spring. This is new paper from Michaels. I made a few in that. That's the new paper from Michaels. Spring collection. Same here. Same here. This one I made a little different. The measurements were a little off. Let me see if I have the measurements for my envelopes. My policy envelopes. Let's see. Here we go. And it's for all sizes of paper. So here's the 12 by 12. you score it at 1 inch and 11 inch for top and bottom. You want to make sure if you're using directional paper that you do it correctly. And then when you rotate it, you're going to score it 3 inches and 8.5 inches. Okay. And then the 8.5 by 11, of course, you're going to score at 1 inches for top and bottom, and then 3 inches and 8 inches once you turn it on the 11-inch side. In 8.5 inch side, you're scoring at 1 inch and 7.5 inches, if that makes sense. 6 by 6, you're going to score at 1 inch and 5 inch. Rotate, score at 1.5, and then 4 3/8. Make a screenshot of that as well. Okay. Those would be great to give away in your swaps, Happy Mail, or you could even sell them at a craft show. Yeah. Anyway, okay. So that's that. So this was a different, I'm not sure how I measured that, but we're going to go on. And then, my standard measurement is what I showed you. So these are some of that September soiree or November soiree paper from Michaels. They have that paper on $3 a pad right now. Okay. And then, of course, you saw the little tea favors that I made. Super cute. Yeah, those would be sweet for, a swap or anything. But anyway, that's it. I made a lot more, but I sent it in my swap, and you can look at reviews. I mean, you can look at the videos from last week and see that. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. You guys have a great day. I'm going to get this uploaded and then work on my Friday videos. I am going to keep this video for Wednesday for now. I may switch it to Monday. It just depends. But there's definitely going to be the Craft Fair Friday video and then this video every week. So 2 videos a week. And then, of course, you know me, I make something and I get really excited and I pop a video up with that. So I do that, in between videos. But anyway, you guys have a great week and have a great Tuesday, and I will talk to you later. Bye.